Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel ZinoVision. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install this custom villa for your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. So before we get started, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. Yes, this is going to work on your Grand Theft Auto 5 game. It's going to be a custom map. When you learn this, you can also learn how to download and install any other maps. So let's get started. You need to download a few files to make this work. Script.v, OpenIV, which is currently down, but I have the file in my Discord. Script.v.net, Minio, and the map builder. So I'll leave a link in the description, 2 links. The first link is to subscribe me. The second link is to my Discord. So let's hop over to our Discord. This is my Discord right here. If you go right here, we do a lot of giveaways also, and we have a support page, as you can see. So we help people out. If they have any questions, feel free to stay. I'm going to leave the link right here at GTA custom maps, and here will be the links that we're going to need for this tutorial right here. Just click on them. OpenIV is currently down. Link or file below. Let me just add the file fast. On this is the wrong website right here. Hold on. Okay, there you have it. OpenIV, Script.v, OpenIV, the website, if it's working, Script.v.net, Minio, Map Builder, and Ocean. So let's, Ocean Blue, let's download them all. I don't think I need to show you, maybe just quickly, fast, how you can download them all. So you're gonna go to Script.v, just click right here, download, and it will start downloading. OpenIV, let's go back to here, just click here, and it will start downloading. Then we go to script.v.net, click on here, and then scroll down, click download here, and then we'll go to Minio, I don't even know if I pronounced that right. Go here, and then here, and then here, and the map builder, the last one. Scroll down, we have the Patron, so that's paid version. We're just going to download this one, map builder 4, free download, let it download. Which one is it? Right here. And there you go. So I told you here, but this is the right one right here. And then it will download. So this one is a pretty big one. Let it load up. So we're going to skip this part and wait for it to complete. Okay, it's all downloaded. Let's start with OpenIV. Double click on it. Let it load up. Hit continue. And wait. And yeah, just redo this, click on it again. It might take a while the first time, so just accept it, hit continue, and choose your downloaded location. And after that, it will start downloading and installing everything. And then it's completed. We're going to close it down. We're going to open OpenIV as administrators. And you'll do that by searching OpenIV, right click on it, and run as administrator. That's going to be necessary for the first time. And then we're going to hit Windows. Then it's going to ask you for your Grand Theft Auto location, which will be here for me. And then we're going to hit continue, continue. Let it do its thing. Okay, then it's opened up. We're going to click on here. What can I do? Set permissions. Hit OK, close it, hit Tools, ASI Manager. And then we're going to hit install here, create yes. And then we'll get a mods folder, install here. And that is done. We can now close down OpenIV and go back to our downloaded file. Okay, on my left side, I have our Grand Theft Auto main directory folders. And on my right side are downloaded files. I have multiple copies of Grand Theft Autos because I like to separate my plugins. I highly recommend you do that also, and always keep a backup after everything is good. Before you, after you've installed a lot of plugins, it's always good to make a backup of that, a copy. So whenever you install something new and you do something wrong, you don't have to install everything again. So that is my golden tip, because it has happened to me so many times. Listen to it, please. So yeah, this is where we're going to install it right now. And we have Script.v. Let's start with that one. We're going to right click on it, extract all, and then a folder will open up, and then a bin folder, and then we're going to select the 2 files that I select, and you're going to just drag and drop it in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. You're gonna hit replace the files. It's weird, I thought I didn't have any files here. Well, I don't. So yeah, it's good. Then we're gonna go to because the didn't put folder right here is already installed. Okay, then we're gonna go to the script hook v.net. We're gonna extract all, and here it is. Double click on it, and we're gonna select the same files that I select. That's going to be these files right here. We're going to select them and drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. There you have it. And then we're going to go back. Then we're going to go to the Minio. We're going to extract that folder also. And then we're going to open it up. Open this up also. And yeah, we're just going to select these two files and folder, and we're going to drag and drop them in the Grand Theft Auto main directory folder. There you go. And then we have this right here, the MB4 extract. Oh yeah, this one's pretty large. Also, I forgot to download the Ocean Blue map, so let me go ahead and do that. That's going to be this one right here. How could I forget the most important? Yeah, just to be clear, hold on. After you watch this tutorial, you can install any map you want. So yeah, this is the file where's the file? Here. Okay, here. And then single player OIV and auto install. Just double click on it, please, and let it do its magic by letting OpenIV open up automatically and install the whole package for you. Yeah, that's correct. You heard that right. It's gonna install it for us in the mods folder, because that's what we want. Hit that install button, smash it. Don't forget to smash that like button, please. And yeah, also hit that subscribe button. Leave some feedback for me. It's always welcome. Trying to grow. Ain't getting the right tools for that, as you can say. Yeah. Let's see. It's almost done. Bam. Okay, and now we're gonna need OpenIV again. So open it up. Hit Windows. Let it load up. There you go. Then we're gonna go back here and again and again, and we're gonna extract this, the Ocean Blue file. Gonna open it up. Where is it? Where is it? I must be blind. Right here. And we have all these files right here. So we'll have two folders right here, the Ymap and the XML. So let's start with the XML. We're going to put that into Minio, Spooner, and we're going to just drag and drop it right here, but that's not possible because we need to turn on edit mode. Now it is possible. There you have it. Then we're going to go back, and this one is done. This is for the Spooner. You can load it up. And the next one is the Ymap. So the Spooners, you can actually load it up, and the Ymap, you already have it in the map, just to be clear. And that's what we want, but I'm just showing you both. So if you don't want it standard in the map, then don't install Ymap. We're going to go to x64 DLC packs, and then you'll have custom maps, DLC, x64, levels, GTA 5, city, maps, custom maps, and here you have Marina map. You can leave it or delete it. I'm going to leave it for now. And Ymap, here you have Ocean Blue Villa. And we're going to just drop it in here. And there you have it, folks. It is installed. So next thing for us to do is to open up Grand Theft Auto and see if it worked. So let's do that. By the way, you also want to know where it is installed. It is right here. So this is in Blaine County. No, I mean Paleto Bay. Yeah, it's right here somewhere. So let's check it out. Okay, it is loaded up, as you can see. So let's go outside, and where it should be is right here somewhere. So we can actually teleport there, but with Minio, which we just installed. But what is also possible is, yeah, Mino, let's start with that. If you hit F8 twice, 1, 2, you'll get this menu right here. You can practically do anything what you want with it. Spawn things, weapons, time, etc, etc. Let's see if we can where's teleportation? Here, teleport, waypoint. Okay, maybe that was not. Where are we? I have no idea where we are. So I think it's behind this wall right here. So I probably haven't teleported somewhere good. We can also just do object spooner, manage save files. Here you have it. Hit enter, teleport to reference, and we're underneath it. Let's try that again. And we're underneath it again. So where are we? Okay, that's no issue. Just go back, spooner mode. And where do I want to? We want to get in the beginning of the house. Where is it? How do we get here? Oh, here. This is how you get it. Get in through a boat. Yeah, it's through the boat. So, let's see. Okay, just by hitting it a few times here, teleport, you will get it. As you can see, there you go. So this is it right here. Oh, we also have a thingy for the casino. What else? Oh, there's the... Oh, hell no! Oh. Fuck. Yeah, you heard that right. Is my screen lagging? It is, isn't it? Yes, it is. Why is it lagging? Seems like it's lagging. Okay, let's do that again. This time not an epic fail, please, because that is embarrassing. Manage saved files. Teleport to reference. Enter again. So there you go. Okay. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, you know what? Just check it out yourself, I would say. It's my first time actually, so I'm gonna just chill around here, see what there is here. Did I just hear a shotgun? This is one of the maps. Again, it's my first time downloading it. I thought it was cool. Ah, is that even supposed to happen? Like, I don't understand. Something is wrong. Let me try that again. Oh, okay. Maybe I did something wrong. So yeah, it is amazing. You have to be honest. Alright, let's go to the yacht. But this time, I won't make the same mistake. Hold on. That is, like, it is not... It should be a bit closer to the edge. Damn, that's a nice yacht. So yeah, that's about it for this video, folks. Oh, my screen is lagging. Damn. I need to check that out. There's something wrong. Fuck. Okay, well, it's not lagging for me. So, only the recording is lagging. So that was it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Thanks again and goodbye.